Hi guys, and welcome to today's video, which is going to be on how to fix the Chromecast resolution issue. Now, if you've got any particular type of Chromecast, and this might even work for a Fire Stick or a Roku or whatever other streaming service device, you'll find that when you're playing a video from your YouTube app on your phone or on your tablet or whatever device that you stream it from to your Chromecast, you'll find that the picture quality just isn't great. It's like 480, or it's like 320 video quality, or 360, whatever it is, and it's very pixelated. It just gets you frustrated. It gets me frustrated, and I've actually been living with it for quite a while now, and some videos come out nice and crisp and other videos don't come out crisp at all. Now I was like, okay, why is it only working on certain things? And it was just annoying the crap out of me. When I had my media PC connected to the TV, I'd watch YouTube that way, and I just gave up on this in the end. And I thought, since moving back here, I thought I'd give this another go. So I plugged it into my TV, and lo and behold, I was watching videos, and a lot of them were coming out really bad quality. Now, in between me moving house, I did actually get a Virgin Media Super Hub. Now, there are issues with the Super Hub, but those are completely different, and they are not part of this video. But I thought that was the problem, but it wasn't. Seriously, it was not the Super Hub at all. I ended up going and getting the third generation. So this is a second generation Chromecast. The first one is like a USB stick, and this one is the third generation. And I thought that they might have had an issue with this, and they'd fix it. And I thought that this was actually stuck at 720p, but it wasn't, because I can watch Netflix on this in 1080 and it's beautiful, like Star Trek Discovery. Watching it on this is just pixel perfect. Watching The Witcher on this is pixel perfect. And I just couldn't understand it, so decided to get this because it said it's got 1080p 60, and that it would actually help, or I thought it would help. Nobody actually told me it would help. Getting the Ultra is not viable for me because I don't have a 4K TV. Actually, I do. I've got one downstairs, but I hardly use it anyway, so it's neither here or there for me. So I had to figure out a way to fix this, and it was just racking my brain. I had a look on a few forums, some of the things people were telling you to try, and some of it's kind of hit or miss, but I've actually found the way to do it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you on the screen, but I'm just going to go through and show you what you need to do, and it will fix it. Now, the first thing you could do, if you wanted to, was to go and go to the Google website and buy one of these lovely Ethernet adapters. So this is a power cable that has an Ethernet port attached to its actual where is it? There it is there. To the actual plug. And it provides 100 megabyte internet, not a gigabit, but 100 megabytes. That should be enough for quite a few people and for the types of videos you're watching, but that should not be the way that you use a streaming device that does stream up to 1080, and it should stream up to 1080 all the bloody time. So I've currently plugged it in via cable all the way to a power socket. instead of a USB port on my TV. Like I say, it hasn't made a difference, and that's not a particular solution, but it's one that everybody says you should try. And I think Google also say to try that. Now, if it works in your case, that's brilliant. You can go away happy. But if you're still having those issues, I think you would like what I do next. But it does require you going into either your internet provider's router, or if you've got your own router, and if you're running your ISP's router as a modem, then this will definitely work for you if you have the option. So as you can see here, I've logged into my router, and this is a third-party router, and it gives me quite a lot of other options. Now, this is quite an expensive one, but so I use this because of like the kind of data I'm moving around all the time, and just making sure that I have like a pretty decent firewall, a pretty decent ability to include VPNs and all this kind of stuff. And this works for me. It might not be something that you have or you need, but if you can get a hold of this control panel for your particular device, you'll be able to have a look for this setting. So the setting we're looking for is the quality of service option on your modem or on your router. Okay, so I've already selected the page. Now it might time out, so do bear with me if it does. So you enable the quality of service, so it's QoS, and what you will do then, normally this is a bit more advanced than quite a lot of routers, but what you would do is click on here. Oh yeah, I've logged out. So if you click to see your attached devices, you'll see that you've got the status, device priority, connection type, and then the device name. Now this is what we're interested in. Look for your Chromecast. It may pick it up as a Chromecast, it may not. And what you need to do is go to the select tick box here and click on edit, and then all you need to do is change the device priority to highest or high. Currently it will be set to medium, or it'll be set to low automatically. What you can do also is if you change the device type to Chromecast, the router, if it's a decent aftermarket one, it will actually tell you, it will automatically know if it needs high priority or not, but that doesn't always work, so don't quote me on that one. So once you do that, you hit apply. And there you have it. It's set to highest priority. Then you should just go back to your YouTube app. As you can see here, start a video, but don't cast it just yet. Now what you need to do is click on the three dots and select the quality, and then just make sure that you've got it on 1080p. Now I've got the ability to do 1440p on this as well, and that's because I think that's the Chromecast 3 that's making that possible. I don't think that was possible previously, unless I was watching it on the computer or laptop. So I select 1080 there, and then I cast, and then anything else that I cast and put into a playlist, it will become 1080p. And the only times, I will just say this, the only times it won't is when the bitrate has been set by the person uploading and it's too low, in which case it's going to try and encode and decode as it needs to. So at that point it will mess up. So there is a bit of a caveat on that, but 99% of your videos will be 100% 1080p quality, provided that your internet can support it, obviously. So there you have it. Simple, easy, very long-winded for me to put together, but I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.